Hello. So, out on the M10-4, stupidly forgot my gloves, got wrist guards on, got knee guards on, got helmet on. Oh, let's have no incidents today, eh? So, what did I want to do? I wanted to try and see if I could do some kind of ride backwards a little bit. I'm trying on the M10-4. I don't know whether that's a good or a bad idea. I can kind of stop almost like stationary. So we're gonna have a look and, I don't know, see, we're just in the middle of a field. We wanted somewhere with a bit of space. We'll see what happens. I don't know whether I need to change something. But I've got pads on, so I don't know if that's that's going to help me or hinder me with pads on. But otherwise, the M10-4 is a little bit. It's really wobbly, so you're hearing the sound. I'm struggling again, like with this wheel, and I don't know why. I think it's all me. I struggled when I was in Scotland on this. And it felt like I had a bit of a weird like firmware thing going on a little while ago, and I fixed that, and then increased the tyre pressure because it was too low, and that seemed to help. But then when I rode it in Scotland, it felt really squirrely, which I know is a little bit squirrely anyway, but this it's kind of feeling the same thing again. Now I know it may just be I switched between a Sherman S and this little wheel, so it's probably that. So my body, my legs and everything just needs to get back used to it, which is why I'm wanting to come back out on today. But we're going to probably put the camera down and, you know, have a little play around, see what's going on today. Nothing too major today. I don't think I'll even go around the trail today because I'd rather have my gloves on and stuff if I was doing that. It's a bit annoying. But maybe tomorrow. The sun's meant to be staying for a couple more days, so you get out while you can while that thing's in the sky. Let's pop the camera down and see what's going on. Oh, seriously, like 5 seconds. It's windy and it's flown over already. Damn it. Tiny bit. Tiny bit of, like, if nothing else, it'd be a hilarious video just watching me not know how to ride a unicycle. The problem is with this one, and I've got nothing around me to grab onto. Usually if I was practicing forward riding, I'd have my hand on something and then use that to sort of balance, like all, you know, all the videos that say you should do. But I'm doing it the hard way, completely. Just if I go forwards. Honestly, it was me. Alright, let's try and get a bit of. Yes. Oh, shit. He's not going very well. Probably not good, like on grass, but it's hopeless. That gives you a workout. Oh, come on. There's a bit that I've shredded already. Oh, come on. I've done a tiny bit before. I was trying to do a little bit. God, I'm so fit. And I just... I don't really do it on anything else. Oh, a centimetre. Easy, Wilson. You make this look so easy. Damn it. Oh! 1 inch! 1 centimetre, 1 inch! Said the mate to the bishop. Hey, I take that as progress. Hopefully this is, you can see it, probably not. And apparently these have come back, spaghetti arms, yay! I even need more motivational music. More like clown music. Oh yeah! Tiny bit! That was a bit further. That's how you do this on a big wheel. Maybe it's easier on a big wheel, I don't know. Oh! This is really tiring. I'm going to use this flat bit that I keep going over. Come on, back. Oh, come on. Almost. Oh, leg muscles definitely getting a workout today. Hey. I suppose I better check if I actually get it on camera. And just... Looks like I should be. I don't find this easy, but damn it, I'm going to learn. I can stop really well. Backwards. Come on. Oh. Is it momentum? Is it the ground? Is it just me? Oh, that was a little bit further. It's a long video of just no, little bit, no, little bit more, no. Queen on the old headphones. In fact, maybe that will help. Come on, Queen, give me inspiration. Oh, no, you failed. Queen's fault. Alright, come on. Oh, yeah, that was further. That was a foot. Then from this to this to this. Oh, I'll bring it back. Queen's playing more now. Maybe that was it. But don't stop me now. Tune. But I'm young, like young. I'm old enough, so that was a weird sound. Maybe edit that bit out. Who am I talking to? Did I break the fourth wall? I don't know what the fourth wall is. The physical fourth wall? Physical fourth wall. I'm rambling now. Last lunchtime session. Come on! Oh! That was better! But scary. Dean? What the hell? You learned this so well. Shout out to Dean. Only fun filming him though when he falls off. And he's showing off. Casual video day. Oh, what's going to do that way? Why is that different? Oh, stayed still for a while. That was different. Oh, didn't put on, but pure fear of evil of the M104. Oh, that was better. This doesn't help. Flappy pads. Big Ode, one request. Bring out, or somebody bring out, a way of stripping these bloody stupid pads off, stripping the fairing kit off, and just putting an all-in-one pad solution for the M104. That's all I ask. If somebody can 3D print me one out there, I'll happily pay for it. Because the fairing on these pads are just shit. The actual pads themselves, the Grizzlers, are really good. But they just don't, the fairing just doesn't stick. Oh, that is that way. Oh, that's definitely Queen's fault. Queen stopped playing. Definitely the Queen's fault. Let's see if Webby does it. No, no, Webby, you haven't. Webby music doesn't help Tyler. Damn you, Webby. Oh, that was better. Everyone out there in the back was riding again. Nah, mate. That was a load of old rubbish. I swear on the channel. I get carried away. So sometimes I do. Oh, I think one side is leaning over. So I don't know why. This is going to be like the dullest video ever, I'm sure. Just me going backwards and forwards trying to do this. Oh shit. Let's try this way again. Come on, slow up. Oh, you git. Damn it. I'm not expecting them to get it straight away, to be honest. It'd be nice if that happened, because that never happens. Another 10 minutes. Here's with this lovely exterior of the van you can see before you. All the lines in all the wrong places. I don't think that makes much difference. Oh, God. Oh, I went. What's that way? Wait. Comments, is it just keep doing this? Oh, that was better. In a turn, but is that? Oh, that was better. Oh, and there goes the camera. Right, well, I think that's enough for today's practice. Tiny bit of improvement. Small little bit, centimetre to an inch to a kind of a foot, and then a bit more. Practice and practice, I think.